If you're planning a trip to Brisbane and you've come across Harper Mae, you might be wondering if it's actually worth booking. In this quick review, I'll cover the pros, the cons, and whether I think it's good value for your money. Starting with the positives, Harper Mae offers a modern, boutique-style experience that feels much more personal than staying at a large chain hotel. The rooms are stylish, clean, and designed with a minimalist look that's comfortable without feeling over the top. It's the kind of place that works well whether you're visiting for business, a weekend getaway, or just exploring Brisbane. Another big advantage is the location. You're close to plenty of cafes, restaurants, and public transport, making it easy to get around the city without needing a car. If convenience is high on your priority list, that's definitely a strong selling point. Guest feedback is generally positive, with many visitors highlighting the friendly staff, comfortable beds, and overall cleanliness. The check-in process is usually smooth, and the boutique atmosphere gives the property a more relaxed and welcoming feel than many larger hotels. Of course, experiences can vary, and like any accommodation, there are occasional complaints about room preferences, noise, or minor maintenance issues, but those don't appear to be the norm. Now, on the downside, don't expect luxury resort-style facilities. If you're looking for multiple restaurants, a large pool, or extensive hotel amenities, this probably isn't the right choice. Rooms can also feel a little compact, especially if you're staying for several days or traveling with lots of luggage. As for value, I think Harper Mae sits in a nice middle ground. You're paying for a clean, modern stay in a convenient location rather than flashy extras. For most travelers, that's a worthwhile trade-off, especially if your plan is to spend more time exploring Brisbane than sitting in your hotel room. So, is Harper Mae Brisbane worth your money in 2026? I'd say yes, particularly for couples, solo travelers, and business visitors who want a stylish boutique hotel without paying premium luxury prices. It delivers a comfortable stay, a great location, and solid overall value.